Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to find PC username and password using simple built-in Windows tools. Now let's get started. Step 1, type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and click on it to open. This is where Windows stores system-level settings and account-related options that help you manage your PC. Step 2, inside the Control Panel window, click on Credential Manager. This feature securely stores usernames and passwords used by Windows, apps, and connected services. Step 3, click on Windows Credentials. This section specifically contains login details related to your Windows account and other installed applications. Step 4, click on any listed credential to view the stored username and password details. This allows you to check saved login information and manage or edit it if required. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful tech tutorials.